This is a video of the Carriage House, which is attached to the Nelson Home property. Carriage House is about a 900 square foot, one bedroom apartment upstairs, and a 1,000 square foot commercial grade garage. Let's do the garage first. Keypad entry. When you go in, those are the stairs up to the Carriage House. We'll go there in a second. But now the garage, my favorite part. So we just completely repainted and put a commercial floor down in the garage. As you can see, there's two 8-foot doors, and they're also wider than the normal door, like here. And we put in commercial lift master P3 openers in as well. And you'll hear in a second, they're nearly silent. Workshop area, built-in shelves, hot dog, garage heater system that works off of a thermostat. The garage is actually plumbed for a utility sink, which we'll probably put in. And then here are your three. We'll do all three at once. Just incredible, these doors. Take you outside, show you also, so you have room to park 5 cars in addition to the 3 inside the garage. This is the Carriage House from the outside. It was meant to model after the original Nelson home. No expense was spared in its construction, as you can tell. Neat little thing. With oh, and there's we'll go back around the side here. This is, so you can see the Carriage House has its own brand new unit. Little path. We'll go back around to the door again, just so you can see. So there's the Nelson home itself. We'll go back in here. And now, let's go on up and check out the Carriage House living space. Again, a little over 900 square feet, 1 bedroom, but it feels like a lot more because the ceilings are incredibly high. I don't know if you get a view there. Very, very modern. Brand new dual pane windows. Carriage House was built in 2004. It has so everything with the Carriage House, including the crown, the trim, was meant to model the Nelson home. Here's a walk-in closet. I don't know if you can tell how high this is, but there's probably, I don't know, 15 feet ceilings, maybe 12. Lots of storage space. Jack and Jill's to a restroom, the bathroom, pocket door on the side of the bedroom. That's the door that goes to the side over there. And the clawfoot tub to model the original 1900 clawfoot tub that is in the home itself. Nice kitchen. Everything's full size. Well, I guess it is an efficiency kitchen. A little bit smaller stove and dishwasher. This was going to be a second bedroom, but the city put the kibosh on it and made them do a deck instead. So this is a brand new Trex deck. That faces southwest. We'll give you a little pan. So that's Mulberry Street right over there. And there you have it. So that is your tour of the Carriage House.